this video, I'm going to show you how to change search engine to Google. Now, I'm going to show you this in both Chrome and Edge, which are probably the most used browsers out there. So, first things first, let's do it inside Google Chrome. What you want to do here is go up here to the very top right where there's those three dots. Click on them, and the penultimate option at the very bottom is Settings. Now you want to click on Settings, and then over here, somewhere in the middle on the left, it says Search Engine. Simply press this, and as you can see, it will pop up the Search Engine tab. In here, you can see Google is already selected for me, but in case it's not, you can press Change over here, and then just select Google and press Set as Default. So it would select Google, set as default, and that's it. It says Google is now your default search engine, and you're done. Now, I'm going to close down Chrome, and I'm going to show you the exact same thing inside Edge, which should be installed by default on every single one of your computers, if you're using Windows, of course. So inside Edge, what you want to do is, yet again, go to the top right, where there's this Settings and More, three dots, click on it, and then at the bottom again, it says Settings. Press it, and look for, inside the search settings, look for Search Engine, okay? Simply type that in, and as you can see, you get 8 results, and the penultimate result, this one over here, says Address Bar and Search. Simply press this, and it will say Search Engine used in the address bar. Now, it says Bing, which is recommended and default, but when you click on it, you can change it to Google over here. And once you press this, as you can see, you can also select it to be in the search box and the address bar as well, as you can see over here, and that's pretty much it. So, in case you're using any other browser, it's pretty much the same procedure. You have to go inside the settings, look up for search engine, and then change it to Google, which should be on the list on pretty much every single search engine. I mean, every single browser and app you're using. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.